Hi again, kids. My name is Maya, your Pinoy Aussie friend. Today, let's learn some common greetings and phrases in English and Tagalog. Good morning.
Magandang umaga.
Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon.
Good evening.
Magandang gabi.
Good day.
Magandang araw.
How are you?
Kumusta?
What's your name?
Ano ang pangalan mo?
I'm pleased to meet you.
Nagagalak akong makilala ka.
Bon voyage.
Maligayang paglalakbay.
What a beautiful day.
Kay ganda ng araw.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
Matagal na kitang hindi nakita.
You seem in a hurry.
Nagmamadali ka yata?
Where are you going?
Saan ang punta mo?
Where have you been?
Saan ka galing?
Do you live here?
Dito ka ba nakatira?
Do you like it here?
Gusto mo ba dito?
What's this called?
Ano ang tawag dito?
How long are you here for?
Gaano ka katagal dito?
Goodbye.
Paalam!
You haven't subscribed yet? Goodness me, Bumblebee. Hit that button, I know you want to.